Hi, friends. Do you have an inferiority complex to bring someone home because of its small size? Do you want to upgrade your interiors, but you feel shy and frustrated to appoint an architect because of the little scale of the work? Don't worry, it happens. Just make some smart moves on your own and learn the art of making your space look bigger, brighter, and better. Coming right up. Hey, I'm architect Nilesh Sawant, having an experience in the field of architecture and interior designing for 25 plus years. If you truly want to understand the field of architecture and interior design and want to know how it really works on site, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Listen, here I'm not promoting that don't appoint an architect for your interior designing project, but for small interior works, you can definitely handle on your own. Such small project must be done with least on-site work and without major breaking and dismantling of the enclosure. Today, I have come with few smart hacks for designing small houses. So without much delay, let's get going. Hack number one, choosing the smart color palette. Color is the first thing you are aware of in the room, and it may dominate over design, arrangement, and shape. The art of deceiving the visuals has an important role to play in interiors. The major chunk of your space is defined by its walls and ceilings. So try to color your walls in lighter colors, preferably white and its shades. This will make the space look bigger and brighter. Adding high contrast to your space will create visual boundaries, while keeping it in a homogeneous color tone will eliminate the boundaries and make your space look bigger than its actual volume. You may get inspired by pastel colors to add a twist of color to your space, but using the space in large portions and proportions will make it look clumsy and cluttered. The upholstery and the furniture should also have a similar color palette as that of the walls so that the visual cohesion is attained. To know more about colors and its palettes, watch my video on colors on my YouTube channel Architect Nilesh Sawant. Hack number two. हर घर कुछ कहता है. Every house should tell a story about itself and its occupants. The story needs emotions to create a drama. Every house should tell a story about its occupants' passion, profession, hobbies, and culture through the elements used while designing. But remember, the drama needs to be in control and not overpower the identity of the whole space and other people living in it. For example, a gourmet chef can portray himself through an artwork related to his profession, or a sport enthusiast may add little element of his favorite sports in the form of artworks or showpieces. This will give your home a personalized touch, so use these elements wisely and strategically. Hack number three, select smart furniture. Your furniture should be as smart as you are, as it plays the most important role in a small home. So select the furniture item that cater to more than just one use rather than having separate pieces of furniture for various single uses, which will end up crowding the space. Multifunctional furniture is widely available in the market and is the best option for a small space where it serves the function and then may sit as a clean decor piece too. You may choose an ottoman with storage or a coffee table with its seats that goes inside the table immediately after use. The TV unit might serve as a storage unit, a sofa can easily become a pull-out bed, and so on. Select simple and light-looking furniture. Avoid accent shapes for focal piece of furniture. You may add a little piece of accent, but choosing to do it for the focal piece like a sofa would be a big no-no. In small homes, the furniture pieces with legs are recommended. Legs in clean straight lines that lift up the body of the furniture from the floor make it look lighter and let the vision travel the floor through and through. This makes your brain to perceive the space edge to edge. Hack number 4. Morph your volume. Small flats are primarily meant for nuclear families where only a couple and might be a single child are the occupants. In such cases, any kind of fixed demarcation should be eliminated. Morphing your whole volume into one as per the use and requirement all around the day can prove to be a bliss in small flats. Usually, the age difference in family members creates the need of different spaces for different uses. But with a nuclear family, this is not an issue as the users can use the spaces together for the same purpose. For example, the entire place can turn into a living room or a studio apartment for a daytime and then transform itself into a big bedroom for the night. The key to do this is foldable or collapsible partitions and by means of multifunctional furniture spaces where only the toilet and kitchen platforms are fixed and the rest all is convertible. Hack number 5. Smart tricks for the eye. As I earlier said, interior designing is the art of deceiving one's eyes. It seems the art lies in making one's eye and mind perceive the space the way you want it to be perceived. And to attain this, the smart use of following elements is a must. Number 1. Smart upholstery. Try to pick the vertical upholstery that goes with the color of your walls, while the horizontal upholstery should be striped and have just a shade difference in color from that of the adjacent decor pieces. Not just striped, but smartly striped. Align the direction of the stripes to the length of your room. This will create a perspective and give a sense of depth to the room and make it look bigger. Number 2. Use of mirrors. Using mirrors on the wall will make it look less claustrophobic and give another dimension to it. A mirror, if strategically placed opposite a window, can reflect light and make your room look brighter and bigger. Not just vertically, but mirrors can be used horizontally too. Using mirror finished tabletops or small parts of ceiling can prove to be a blessing sometimes. However, horizontal use of mirrors is not for all places. It is mostly used in small or claustrophobic passages or lobbies. Avoid placing 2 mirrors facing each other because it will create a salon effect in your house. Number 3. Smart organization. Try to keep the space as managed or as clean as possible. Try not to cover major chunk of the floor. You might add deco pieces that serves a function too and are wall mounted. Remember the mantra. As much empty floor, that much bigger perspective. A well-organized floor space makes a space look less cluttered. So after knowing all these smart hacks, I hope you will be able to design your interiors in a much smarter manner. If you have any questions regarding this video or want me to make a video on the topic of your suggestions concerned to interior designing, let me know in the comment section and I will try to solve your doubts in the best possible way. If you enjoyed this video, then see similar videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Happy smart designing.